to Sillyville. Let's have some fun and laugh together. In Sillyville, where laughter never ends, we've got Benny, Lucy, and Timmy, our friends. With pies that explode and flour in the air, we giggle and laugh without a single care. Sillyville, Sillyville, come and play. Laugh and sing with us all day. In Sillyville, the fun's so bright. With friends and giggles, everything's alright. Harry found a hat with magic inside. Daisy turned a rainbow and Max took a ride. Floating in the air and bouncing all around. In Sillyville, fun is always found. Silly found a hat with magic inside. Daisy turned a rainbow and Max took a ride. Floating in the air and bouncing all around. In Sillyville, fun is always found. Sillyville, Sillyville, come and play. Laugh and sing with us all day. In Sillyville, the fun's so bright. With friends and giggles, everything's alright. Ollie on a unicycle juggling high. Bella in a sack, bouncing to the sky. Charlie with a giant egg racing to the end. In Sillyville, everyone's a friend. Penny's cookies disappeared, oh what a sight. Rocky and Lily tried to solve it right. With traps and crumbs, they had a blast. In Sillyville, the fun will always last. Sillyville, Sillyville, come and play. Laugh and sing with us all day. In Sillyville, the fun's so bright. With friends and giggles, everything's alright. Freddy's balloons floated up so high. Sam grabbed too many and soared to the sky. Gina and Freddy tried to bring him down. In Sillyville, there's never a frown.